What's up nail friends, it's Sarah here, and in today's video I'm going to show you some swatches of the brand new loose glitter from GLITTERBELS. If you're interested in that, just keep watching. Okay, so you might notice that my background is different. I am back in my old space. I talked about that in a video I filmed that's actually was supposed to go up before this video, but then the glitters came, so this video is going up first. So yeah, I decided to come back in this room because it wasn't working for me anymore. So let's jump into these glitters. I just pulled a couple here. There's a lot to choose from. They have fine glitter, medium glitter, chunky glitter, and multi-mix. So I just grabbed a couple different ones here for my collection, and then yeah, I'm just gonna show you the ones I grabbed. So loose glitters you can use with anything. Inside your acrylics and encapsulate them. You can sprinkle them in gel and have them on top of gel polish. You can encapsulate these in hard gel. So they're very versatile. Anyone can use them. You can use them in dip powder too. So let's start right off the bat. First, let's talk about the packaging. So this is the packaging. The GLITTERBELS loose glitters come in 15-gram jars, and they have rose gold lids. Look how cute these are. So this one is called Slushie, and they also have the travel lids inside them, which you do not need to keep. These are just for travel, but if you do want to keep them, you can. Slushie is a really beautiful kind of oceany mix. Wow, that's really pretty. So this is kind of like a blue mix with iridescent glitters. So I'm going to swatch these with acrylic. So I actually have here a brand new dish. I love these little lotus flowers, you guys probably know. I got this from HomeSense. So I have some clear GLITTERBELS monomer in there, and then let's pick up, I've got some glass slippers clear acrylic. So I'm just gonna dip in and then pick up directly from the pot. Okay, so that's what Slushie looked like. Let's try this one. So this one is called Rainbow. This one is a mix. So holographic. Wow. I love that one. Oh my god, it's so fun. That is so holographic. Wow, I really like that one. I like that it is chunky and that the glitter is all mixed in. So you have like fine glitters in here, you have medium size, you have all the sizes. That's what the mixes mean, I guess, the multi-mix, is you have all the sizes of the glitter. Super pretty. The next one we're gonna look at, this one is called Attitude, and this one is a pink, and this one is chunky. So it is a chunky glitter. It doesn't have the fine glitter, it's not mixed. So let's take a look at that. Wow, that's so pretty. So you can see it's just the one size in the chunky ones. So let's just swatch that right next to that beautiful holographic one. So this one has is holographic as well. You can see that you got that multi-shift of holographic glitters in this one. So it's not just a one color glitter flake, it's got multi-color shifting like that, like the holographic next to it. It's much more subtle because it's pink. But you guys, can you see that? Like right there. Okay, the next one, ooh, I'm excited. This one is Ivy Mix. So again, this is one of the mixed ones. Wow, that is so pretty. This one isn't holographic, it's just the one color of that rich jewel tone. So beautiful. Why not swatch it next to that one? Oops, I got some pink in that. Wow, that's so pretty. Do you guys see all the sizes? And you see this one doesn't have any holographic, and it's just the one blue color. Or green, bluey green, teal color. Okay, next is a clear one. I'm really excited. I love the clear ones. They're so beautiful. They're so versatile. So this one is mixed and it is called Fairy Dust. Okay, let's swatch this one. Wow, that is so pretty. You can see they're not super chunky, but they are mixed with a lot of different sizes. Okay, the next one, I'm really into this one. This one's called Sea Gem, and it is it doesn't say that it's a mix, but I think it is a multi-mix. So this is like a beautiful green, like a chartreuse green with like turquoise green in it. Oh my god, it's so pretty. I love this one so much. I've been like dying to get my hands on this one. Oops. Oh my god. That is beautiful. Pretty. So far, that's my favorite one. The next one we're gonna go with is called Universe. So Universe is a multi-mix, chunky glitter. It has all different colors in it of purple, and it's kind of got some like clear glitters, and it's really unique and interesting. I'll try to get really close up here. Do you see all that glitter in there? So that'll look really interesting and different depending on what you put it on, because of the iridescent, kind of like you can see here, the see-through glitters look kind of yellow on here, but it would depend on what you put under it, right? That's really pretty. I like that it's all different. I like that it's super unique. So the next one is another clear one, but this one is one of the fine glitter. So I didn't pull a lot of fine glitters here because I personally just love chunky glitter. So I did pull this fine one called Mystical because I love sprinkling clear sugar onto wet gel and making like, or clear glitter like this and making like a sugar nail. So I feel like this one would be really versatile for that. You can't really see that well. It's gonna probably be hard to see. Oh no, you can kind of see it here. It's just like a really, really, really fine glitter. Maybe I'll dump some out on my hand actually. That might be the easiest way to see what this looks like. Please don't dump a lot. There you go. Just a little bit. Ugh. Can you see? It's just like fine rainbow, extremely fine rainbow glitter. Next, we've got this one, which I thought was really fun. This one's called Popping Candy. So I like this one because it's kind of like a blue and pink mix, but it's not overpoweringly pink. The pink's really subtle and light, so it's just really fun. Like, look how fun this glitter is. So got the two colors, the chunky glitters, fine glitters, pink, silver. This kind of like fun dark blue. I really like this one. Ooh. That's a really fun mix. I like this one a lot. So that's what it looks like swatched with acrylic. So that one's fun. And that was Poppin' Candy. The next one is kind of like a fun summery one. This one's called Hot Summer. So this one is really pretty orange, bright orange, chunky glitter. That's pretty. Okay, let's swatch that. Ooh, that's really pretty. In the container, it looks darker, I feel like, because it's like condensed, whereas when you spread it out, you can really see the see-through iridescence of that. So sparkly, so glittery, so bright. Okay, so the next glitter I have here, this one is called Ivy. So I showed you guys Ivy already, but that one was the mixed one. So this one is Ivy Medium. So perfect opportunity to show you guys the differences. This one is what medium looks like. So it's like a medium glitter. It's not chunky, it's not fine. And then this is the Ivy multi-mix. So you can see, and then they, I'm not sure if they're doing that with every single one, but so then they might have a fine version and a chunky version. So you know what I mean? So you can get the colors in different chunkiness. Anyways, I'll show you what medium looks like. Pretty. So this one isn't holographic at all. It's just the one color. So again, you can mix this with acrylic gel, put it into your top coat. Wow, that's really pretty. Okay, another one that's kind of fun, that's more like a summery one, again, is kind of like Hot Summer, but this one's just called Lemonade. So it is a pretty chunky yellow mix. I like that one a lot. What do you guys think of that one, Lemonade? We have two more that I have from my collection. There's a lot more to choose from. I just didn't want to take everything. The next one I'm going to show you is one of my favorite ones that I've seen, called Darling. And I really like it because it's pink mixed with like champagne or silver. Kind of like champagne to me. It's super pretty. So this one's called Darling. Isn't that stunning? I'll stir it for you. Ooh, so pretty. So this one is holographic. Like I said, pink, champagne, super pretty. Got chunky glitters, has fine glitters. Oh, so pretty. Wow, I really like that one a lot. The last one I'm going to show you guys is called Scarab. And it is like a mermaid mix. So it's kind of similar to the last one I just showed you, but it's that turquoise mixed with like champagne. So it's similar to Darling, but turquoise. Wow, I really like that one. Ooh, pretty. Okay, so out of all of these, which one is your guys' favorite? Let me know in the comment section. If I had to choose which, that's hard. There's so many good ones here. I love Sea Gem, Scarab. Okay, let's pick two. Sea Gem and Darling, that's it. I picked two. Those are my two favorite. Which ones are your guys' favorite? Let me know. I'm gonna do a mini giveaway. I'm just gonna give away 6 of these to someone in my comment section. So all you have to do to win is make sure that you are subscribed to me and let me know which one is your favorite, and obviously a way to get a hold of you. So your Instagram handle, your email, something like that. If you guys like any of the thing you see here, you can get it from my site, nailthrone.com. You can also get the stuff from Nails by Annabelle in the UK, and I will also link her shop down below. So thanks so much for watching, guys. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed and click the bell next to it to be notified when I post a video so that you'll never miss a giveaway. I will see you in the next one. Bye!